So I used this example from the HPYT library. It defines a set of classes that we are going to use their methods to apply some effects on our window. The effects can be simple as a transparency or color title bar, or other effects like the rainbow effect or the flashing window effect. So to use this library, all you have to do is to call paper and style and the name of the library, HPYT. So in the documentation, they specify this number. I didn't specify a number, but when I started the library, I got this version. So here they show you how you can use it. So you import your stuff from the library and then you import, for example, the other GUI libraries. Here we are going to use CustomTkinter library. So also to install CustomTkinter, people install CustomTkinter, simple. So here are the imported classes that we are going to use. These are the same classes imported in the example. I added this one to specify different corner radius. In the example, they create simple window, but I also changed the geometry. The first call to the library is to hide the maximize, minimize button, the close button. Here, to hide the title bar, maximize button and minimize buttons here are disabled. Adding the flashing effect to the window, adding also a rainbow effect to the border of the main window. Here we can also add a rainbow effect to the title bar. I added to the example this setting, so we will change the corner of the window. I set to square. There are other values that you can choose from. So here all the effects you can apply, or the customization you can do with this library. And here are the type of corners that you can apply. We had already a rounded window without this default. This is why I applied this square style. Here I added also this function on click of a button that I created here. So I simply unhid the close button, the title bar, also set the Windows opacity to 0.9. I couldn't use the one, it generated an error, or it bugs, it froze the entire app. Here also I stopped the flashing of the rainbow effect of the title bar and the flashing of the window. It's not called flashing for the rainbow title bar, it's just called rainbow. So there is the rainbow title bar effects, and there is also the rainbow title bar and also the rainbow border. We have this rainbow effect on the border. We can't see the effect on the title bar because it is hidden. So this is our button. We applied no effect, and also we applied no transparency on the window. When I click on the button, I have this transparency set to 0.9. I have no effect on the title bar, but the title bar is visible, but also I have only the close button because the reduce and because the minimize button and the restore button are still hidden, and also the border effect is, or the rainbow border effect is still available. So here first we are going to see the flashing of the title bar of the window. So we will not stop the flashing. This is why I will comment it out. So when I click on the button, I have this transparency and I have my title bar, but flashing title bar. This is the flashing effect of the window. And if I stop the flashing, but I do not stop the rainbow title bar effect, but I will keep it. Let's keep it instead. So here, if I click, I have my rainbow effect synchronized with the also border rainbow effect. In the example, they show you how to, for example, synchronize this rainbow effect with the progress bar, which will make sense to have a rainbow window. You can also customize the effects. Here the interval is 30, hours, I think it was less than that. The flashing was set to 10, and the rainbow, there is no effect, there is no value on the rainbow effects. So the default interval must be set on the function or on the definition of the method. We can see here in the documentation that the interval default value is set to 5. This is why we had this speed of rainbow flashing. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.